Gusto mo bang magkabahay na affordable at malaki? Para sa pamilya mo, I've got the perfect solution. Introducing the area model sa Hiraya Homes sa Barangay Kabuko, 13, Martires, Cavite. A 2-story townhouse with 40 square meter lot area and 52 square meter floor area. Perfect na space for your family and for all your needs. Dito sa area model, you get a provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, bare finish upon turnover. Ang reservation fee is only 10,000 pesos. And Pag-ibig Financing. You can move in with affordable monthly payments. Welcome to area model at Hiraya Homes sa Barangay Kabuko, 13, Martires, Cavite. It's a 2-story townhouse with 40 square meter lot area and 52 square meter floor area. Perfect for growing families or kahit ikaw lang mag-isa. Spacious, affordable, and located in peaceful community. Sa area model, you get 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, at bare finish upon turnover. So you can easily add your personal touch. Perfect for family styles and needs. The space is already, all you need to do is make it your own. 10,000 reservation fee lang ang kailangan mo to secure your unit. And with Pag-ibig Financing, you can enjoy affordable monthly down payment. Hassle-free ang process. And before you know it, you'll be living in your own home. Message us today to reserve your unit at Hiraya Homes. Once again, this is Jerome Llame. At kung naghahanap ka ng perfect na bahay, ahenteng Bicolano will assist you.